नमस्कार, मैं हूँ राजनंदिनी और आप देख रहे हैं वीकली राउंडअप। वीकली राउंडअप में हर हफ्ते हम बात करते हैं कि किस तरीके से इंडियन डायस्पोरा के अंदर जो भी इवेंट्स, प्रोग्राम्स, न्यूज़ जो भी रिलेटेड होता है मैं आप तक लेकर आती हूँ हर हफ्ते। और हम ये भी बात करते हैं, जैसे कि हमें पता है कि इलेक्शंस जारी हैं, तो जितने भी लोगों से हम बात कर सकते हैं, जितनी भी न्यूज़, जितना भी जो कुछ भी इंडियन डायस्पोरा में हो रहा है आप तक पहुंचा सकते हैं, वो हम हर हफ्ते आप तक पहुंचाते हैं। बीजेपी का एक इवेंट था जहां पर मोदी 3.0 की विक्ट्री सेलिब्रेशन की गई, जहां पर स्मृति ईरानी भी मौजूद रही। स्मृति ईरानी का बहुत जोरों शोरों से स्वागत किया गया, बहुत धूमधाम से जश्न मनाया गया, मोदी मोदी के नारे लगे और उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा वो मैं आपको सुनाना चाहती हूं और साथ ही साथ उस पूरे इवेंट की एक झलक आपके सामने है।
We are mediate last time. Down me.
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। आवाज अभी भी कम है, आप इतने लोग और आवाज ही नहीं है। भारत माता की जय। थैंक यू। आदरणीय स्मृति ईरानी जी, आदरणीय विजय चौथाईवाले जी, शिशिरदा और सुरेश मंगलगिरी जी। समय मेरे बोलने का कम है क्योंकि आप मुझे सुनने नहीं आए। जिन्हें आप सुनने आए हैं वो जरूर बोलेंगी और आपके सवालों का जवाब भी देंगी और खुल के देंगी, खुल के बोलेंगी। मेरा आपसे इतना ही निवेदन है कि पहले तो आप आराम से बैठ जाइए, वक्त आपका है, शांति से बैठें, और अगर कोई समस्या है तो मुझे बताई जाए। मेरे ख्याल में आप सबको बैठ जाना चाहिए ताकि कार्यक्रम को ठीक से आगे बढ़ाया जाए। ના હમણાં શોખ તું હાથ લે
અને કેટલા ગુજરાતીઓ બેઠા છે
मेरी अर्धांगिनी गुजराती है जी।
मेरा ससुराल गुजराती है।
आदरणीय विजय जी, ओएफ बीजेपी के यूके के अध्यक्ष कुलदीप जी, सुरेश जी, अब it's better I speak a bit of English. At least you will know that I can speak some English. Shashikant bhai, if I start naming, it'll be evening. So do excuse me for not recognizing many Mahanubhavs. It's really an honor for all of us. For all of us. See, the World Cup T20 is going on, right? And in cricket, to score a hat-trick is such a great delight. And that's what Modi ji has done. For the scorebooks, they will say, but somebody else did a hat-trick. Yes, but at that time there was no opposition. I'm not reducing anybody, but this hat-trick is something very special. And to celebrate, none else than in UK. Thanks to all of you. I will just say one point which will interest all of you sitting here. All of you. A big thanks to Adarniya Pradhan Mantri Modi ji and Griha Mantri Amit Shah ji. We have started for all Indian passport holders and OCI card holders a e-gate on arrival. Let me complete. You can give Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Home Minister big hand after I finish, but let me complete. This morning, Vijay ji and I sat down, we filled up. In 4 minutes, you fill up the application, you upload your details, and next time when you arrive, you have to give your biometrics. After that, you're in and out, no stamping of passport, no nothing, just walk through, breeze through. That is Modi ji and that is Honorable Home Minister ji. I think that's all that I should be speaking. We still have, I don't want to be sacked from OFBJP, my boss is there. And then of course, the person who we are here to listen, none else than Didi.
My speech is going to be shorter than the introduction. So don't worry. So, Adreniya Smriti ji, my colleague Shishirda, Kuldeep ji, Suresh Mangalgiri ji, all the senior leaders from Bharat who have come here, including my friend Guru Prakash, and all the members of OFBJP and the members of Indian diaspora in London. It is indeed a matter of great pleasure for me to meet all of you again. We met almost 10 years ago, and that time we all were preparing for the election, and now here we are to celebrate the victory. And there is no better joy than celebrating it in front of all of you who have worked very hard for the success of Prime Minister Modi. If I start giving all the details of what all has been done by the Indian diaspora, it will take long time. But just to give a glimpse of it, all over the world, more than 100 car rallies have been organized. Similarly, close to 10 lakh, 1 million calls have gone from at least UK and USA and many more thousands from other countries. Also, close to 2,000 people have come from all over the world to India and spent at least 2 weeks. And as per our norms, our tradition, everyone has come at his or her own expense and spent the time in India to campaign for BJP. And there are many more things which we have done, including giving exposure to the political parties across the globe on how BJP campaigns, and also exposing the Indian diplomatic community in India, the foreign diplomatic community, that how BJP campaigns. So we have done unprecedented number of activities in last 3 months, which has actually set a new standard in the campaign, and how Prime Minister Modi ji's global image is further enhanced due to all of efforts of all of you. So I am here to thank you, each one of you, and I continue to expect that you will support us in future too. You are all our friends, and as Shishirda has said, that Prime Minister Modi ji and his government is striving hard to engage more and more diaspora in the development story of India, and this process.
माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की
नमस्कार। मंच पर विराजमान विजय जी, शिशिरदा, कुलदीप जी, सुरेश जी. I know that I reached out to fellow Bengalis and Gujaratis. How many from the state of Kerala? Yengene Undesuka. And our friends in Maharashtra, Kasagar. I come back. So what Vijay can see today is an amalgam of various voices, cultures, but only one voice that shouted out, I am Bharatiya. And it is that spirit that Vijay, me and Shishirda are here today to pay salutations to. The overseas Friends of BJP UK chapter is not new to me. I've been here over a decade and possibly and a half. And I see familiar faces here and many are new faces. That the family has grown is a matter of great pride. That the family can grow stronger is a matter that you need to take a resolution on. And while Kuldeep ji is right, when I met Suresh ji yesterday on our way to Cambridge, Suresh ji looked a bit despondent. And I looked at Suresh ji and I said, वो 99 पे नाच रहे हैं, आप 240 पर दुखी हैं. And I'm happy that feeling got transmitted to the president with alacrity, and he gave that response to the media. But to contextualize a little, I first met Kuldeep ji 2009, 2024. And when we meet, we pick up the threads of conversation as if we met just yesterday. When we met in 2009, the determination on the face of your president was such. He said to me, there will come a time where we will grow not only in numbers, but we will grow stronger enough to be heard not only back home, but also resolutely in every corner of the United Kingdom. Mind you, in 2009, the Bharatiya Janata Party was not in power in India. To meet with fellow Indians or those who have left their hearts behind in India, who gave young activists like me hope, is why I come today to celebrate on the platform of a president who gave me hope in 2009. So, the minister who did not have a home to his name, but he built 4 crore homes for the poorest of the poor in India. This is a Prime Minister who has seen in his village poor women defecating in the open, and he built toilets for 110 million poor Indian families. This is a Prime Minister that was told चाय वाला कभी प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बन सकता. But this is the Prime Minister that gave impetus to every youngster in India to say that if you want to become somebody, do not be subjugated to the will of those who only have money but may not have talent. This is a Prime Minister who knew that poor women and families, just to save for a rainy day, would take crumpled notes and shove it in bottles which had atta or chawal, all because they wanted to save money. Women who, if their husbands or their sons wanted to do something of their own, would give away their gold, one bangle, one earring, only so that their families could live with Swabhiman. This is a Prime Minister who made sure that he opened bank accounts for 500 million Indians. And to be fair to him, while we applaud him in absentia, it was never a part of his manifesto. Look back, in 2014, building toilets for the poor was never a part of political discourse. He built it because he meant it when he said, I'll be the harbinger of change. So when Vijay stands here to say thank you for your support and your contribution, they are not mere words. But the resounding claps will not be limited to this room. They will reach that Prime Minister who is mocked by the opposition. Why? Because he built roads. This is the Prime Minister who at the age of 73 is humiliated by a man who was born in a political family with a golden spoon and who keeps discovering India even over the age of 50. But don't mock them, I say. Don't. For they come together because what they want on a platter is not just our heads, but India. Don't mock them, for they will find friends who will want nothing less than pull India down. Don't mock them, for they don't celebrate when we become the 5th largest economy. They don't support us when we say we want to be the 3rd largest economy. Don't mock them, for they rather burn our homes down only so that they could burn down the legacy of Prime Minister Modi. They will cut the nose to spite the face. We know that. Don't mock them. Be aware of them. For they want, like I said, not our heads, not a piece of the pie. They want our country on a platter. So today, while we celebrate, I, being a quintessential Indian woman, who in the midst of all the glory and all the guts points out, be watchful, be mindful. I say this today, that every time they mock India, remember it's people like you who came together and built it brick by brick. every time they mock our way of life, remember it is people like you with the tilak on the forehead that kept that way of life alive. So today, as we come together to tell Narendra Modi and the Bharatiya Janata Party that you stand resolutely with them, remember, you stand not with just a political party. You stand not with just a way of life. You stand resolutely with India.
भारत माता की जय। मैं दीपक पटेल अहमदाबाद से और पिछले 18 साल से यहाँ यूके लंदन में हूँ और ऑफ बीजेपी गुजरात कन्वेनर का मेरे पास अभी जो जॉब दिया गया है मुझे, मैं 4 वीक इलेक्शन में अहमदाबाद, सूरत, आजू बाजू गांधीनगर, अमित शाह जी की लोकसभा सीट पे भी बहुत प्रचार किया और ग्राउंड पे रह के एक महीना हमने वहाँ पे काम किया और यहाँ यूके से हमने इतनी एक्टिविटीज़ की है मोदी जी का पिटबर्ड बनाने के लिए और ये हमारी प्रयास चलती रहेगी यहाँ लंदन से कि हम मोदी जी हम आपके साथ हैं, ये नारे के साथ हम यहाँ से धन्यवाद आप सबको।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम तुषार जोगे है। मेरा पद ऐसे तो मैं कार्य करता हूँ, लेकिन मुझे सोशल मीडिया का प्रभार और महाराष्ट्र चैप्टर का प्रभार दिया गया है। और आज का जो ये कार्यक्रम है, हम मोदी जी की तीसरी बार जो एक हिस्टोरिक जो विक्ट्री हुई है, इसके सेलिब्रेशन में आज ये कार्यक्रम है। लगभग 300 से 400 लोग आए हैं और हमारे जो माननीय अतिथि जो थे, जिसमें विजय चौथाई वाले जी जो हमारे इंचार्ज और स्मृति ईरानी जी और शिशिरदा और ऐसे कई महानुभाव आए हैं। मध्य प्रदेश से कुछ आए हैं, कुछ उत्तर प्रदेश से आए हैं। तो ये जो कार्यक्रम जो आज था, ये बेसिकली आज एक सेलिब्रेशन है और सेलिब्रेशन इसलिए हमने काफ़ी मेहनत करी एज ए डायस्पोरा और एज ए कम्युनिटी और एज ए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। हम लोगों ने बहुत ज़बरदस्त मेहनत करी है और इस मेहनत का आज नतीजा है। हमने कार रैलियाँ करी, अलग अलग ऐसे कार्यक्रम करे जिससे भारत के लोगों को एक मैसेज जाए कि हम इतने जागरूक हैं और भारत की जो प्रगति है और भारत का जो विकास है हमको दिख रहा है, वही आपको भी दिख रहा है। आपने जो आज वोट देकर मोदी जी को चुन के लाए हैं, ये हमारी तरफ से एक वोट ऑफ थैंक्स है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
हिंदी में नमस्कार, मेरा नाम हृदय गुप्ता है। आज यहाँ हम लंदन में मोदी 3.0 का विक्ट्री सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं और हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे करीब 300 लोगों को एक्सपेक्ट किया था, लेकिन 450 से 500 लोग आ गए हैं यहाँ पे कि इट सोच कि कितना लोगों में उत्साह है, कितना मोदी जी के लिए प्यार है। मोदी की 3rd टाइम जो हैट्रिक है, उससे लोग सीट भले ही कम आई हैं, लेकिन उत्साह में कोई कमी नहीं है। और लोग यहाँ पे ढोल ताशे भी हैं, डीजे भी है, खाना भी है, एकदम फुल सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। और सेलिब्रेशन में सबसे ज़्यादा चार चांद जब लग गए जब स्मृति जी ईरानी जी का लास्ट मोमेंट पे कंफर्म हुआ कि वो भी ज्वाइन कर रही हैं और विजय चौथाई वाला जी जो हमारे इंचार्ज हैं और बीजेपी फॉरेन सेल के, तो इसलिए हम सब लोग यहाँ पे आज सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। और मैं सबको ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि ये सरकार बहुत ही मजबूत है, मोदी जी को हमेशा सपोर्ट करते रहिए। आगे चल के स्टेट इलेक्शन आने वाले हैं, तो उसमें उनको बढ़ चढ़ कर सपोर्ट कीजिए, वोट दीजिए। धन्यवाद।
Hi, I'm Harini Sampath from BJP Tamil Nadu team. We've been preparing for the success of BJP and this event for quite some time. The moment elections were announced, we started preparing for the celebratory event. We knew Modi ji will come back with an astounding success. We did quite a lot of events in the past, so this victory celebration makes it even more, celebratory and fun and much needed here. Smriti Irani ji was here. She gave a wonderful speech about how it is a moment of celebration and what all Modi ji has achieved for us in this last 10 years and what he is going to achieve for us in the next 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. We know that Modi ji is coming back again in the next 5 years. We are looking forward to celebratory event after 5 years in a bigger venue with a bigger success. Thank you very much.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम चीनू है। आज हम लोग एक्चुअली मोदी 3 सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं इधर जिम खाना में, यूके में, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में। एंड सोने पे सुहागा बात ये थी, हमारे पास विजय चौटाई वाला सर थे और इंस्पायरिंग स्मृति ईरानी जी थे। उनके भाषण ने तो प्रोत्साहित हमेशा करते हैं, बट आज भी किया है. So I'm really proud to be part of it, Mahila Morcha of BJP and Assam ki lead for of BJP. So namaste, MATV ko and everyone present here. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम संकेत है और मैं लंदन में स्थित पिछले 2.5 years से हूँ. So yeah, today we all gathered here to celebrate the victory of BJP and NDA with the alliance government, which they have came for the third time. Honestly speaking, down the line here, there are elections right now in the UK, and even there were elections in India. We can see the massive difference when it comes to the issue which is currently raised here in this country, that a minority has started becoming a majority, and that is a concerned issue right now here. While in India, we have tried and we are trying our best to cover the democracy and to protect the democracy, and this is a tight slap on those people who were blaming EVM. And I see, yeah, democracy is alive still. And thank you so much. Namaste.
Hi, my name is Hina Gupta. I'm an accountant by profession and a BJP member from so long. We all are here, you know, hearing Smriti Irani. It's such a matter of proud. इतना क्राउड, इतने लोगों ने वेलकम किया है, ये देखकर बहुत खुशी हो रही है. हमारे जो प्रधानमंत्री हैं श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, उनको लेके तो अपनापन, एक प्यार, एक सम्मान सबके दिल में है. बट यहाँ जब स्मृति ईरानी जी आई हैं, उनको सुनने के लिए इतने लोग यहाँ पे उत्सुक है, इतने लोग यहाँ पे उनका वेलकम कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत ही गर्व की बात है. इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ immense proud. एंड लोग कहीं पे भी हो, इंडियंस कहीं पे भी हो, इंडिया में हो, इंडिया के बाहर हो, लेकिन वो अपनी जो रूट से कनेक्ट रहते हैं और जो उनका जो अपनापन है अपने देश, अपनी देश की पॉलिटिक्स, अपने देश के जो लोग जो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं उस कंट्री के लिए, उसके लिए इतना सम्मान देख के मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है. एंड आई एम फीलिंग सो प्राउड एंड हैप्पी टू बी हियर.
आज की वीकली राउंडअप में बस इतना ही. अगले हफ्ते फिर मिलूंगी ऐसे ही कुछ इवेंट्स के साथ. तब तक के लिए देखते रहिए MATV, बिकॉज इट्स योर चैनल ऑफ चॉइस.